is Lucy Wanjiku Gathoga. I'm 46 years old from Kenya, Nairobi. And I've been having a back problem that with time of 3 years generated to pain in the left leg that was really bothering me. I was unable to do the ritual chores in the house, like bending or being. I was not independent at all, with a lot of pain that was really bothering me. Sleeping was a problem for a long time, and after seeking medical attention in Kenya, I was not able to get it there, and that's when I heard about India and how good they are. And I started my research, and I found a hospital called Artemis in India, where I was connected to one Dr. S.K. Rajan, who is the head surgeon in the hospital of a spine. And we communicated, and I planned my coming, and I was well received at the airport. The reception was very, very good, and when I got here, I was received, and the doctor was very, very good, and his team. I was taken through a series of tests, and he really treated me well with recommendations of an injection that is on the spine to really identify where the problem is. I was taken to like a mini theater where they injected the spine, and they identified where the problem is, which was, I've never had that in my country, so it was new to me and very good to know where the problem is. And the surgery was planned, and in like 5 days I was admitted. And on the day of the surgery, the most amazing thing is that they told me that the surgery was going to be at 8 in the morning, and at 7 I was wheeled into the waiting area of the theater, and to be precise, at exactly 8:55 I was wheeled into theater. And unlike in my country, where when you're taken to theater it takes a long time, where you're very anxious, the preparations were done in like less than 5 minutes, and I was asleep. And when I woke up, when I came to know that I'm not feeling the pain, I was very happy.
Lucy had come to us from Kenya. She had severe back pain and pain going into the leg. In her country, she could not find a clear resolution for her pain with all the medical treatment. For surgery, she had heard the name of India, and specifically Artemis Hospital. And once she contacted them, they got her in touch with me. And we then evaluated her in detail and found that at one level her disc was severely damaged. It was also compressing the nerve, because of which the pain was going in the leg. We did a minimally invasive spine surgery on her after confirming the source of pain with injections and blocks. Once we realized that the blocks were giving a good relief to her, but they were only temporary in nature, we offered the surgery. She underwent that. It was about a 2.5 to 3 hours long keyhole surgery, after which her pain has come down from 100 to practically 0. Right now she is a happy patient.
I stayed in the hospital for a maximum of 4 days, and by the time I was leaving the hospital, I was pain-free. It's been like one week after the surgery, and I have absolutely no pain. I've been treated so well. I am going back to my country with a smile, knowing that my life is going to be pain-free for the, we're going to be, I'm going to have a pain-free life. And I would recommend that nobody is supposed to stay with the pain. Nobody is supposed to go through pain. There's hope, there's help. And when you come here, it's different. It's totally different from what we know. You're treated like a human being. The people here are very friendly, from the reception to the doctor, and you get to know exactly what your problem is. As I go back to my country, I want to thank the entire staff of Artemis, and most of all, Dr. Rajan, who has been very good to me.